Hey there, Striverz. Are you tired of slaving away at your 9-to-5 job, dreaming of the day you can finally break free and make some serious money online? Or maybe you've tried making money online, but you're struggling to find the perfect side hustle? Don't worry, my friends. We've got you covered. In today's video, we're revealing struggling making money online, try these 5 ideas, or stay overworked and poor. So, buckle up and let's dive into these game-changing ideas that could turn your financial future around. But first, do us a favor and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Striverz Money for more awesome content like this. Alright, let's get started. Imagine waking up every morning with no alarm, sipping your coffee while checking your bank account, and seeing that it's grown overnight, all thanks to your online income streams. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream could become a reality if you put in the effort and follow these 5 ideas we're about to reveal. And just a heads up, we've got a bonus idea at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. Idea number 1, freelancing your skills. The first idea is freelancing your skills. Are you a talented writer, graphic designer, or programmer? The gig economy is booming, and there's no shortage of businesses and individuals looking for skilled freelancers to help them with their projects. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy for you to create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on jobs. But here's a pro tip. Don't just rely on these platforms. Reach out to your network, attend industry events, and join online communities to build relationships and find potential clients. And remember, as a freelancer, your reputation is everything. So always strive to deliver high-quality work and maintain excellent communication with your clients. Idea number 2, create and sell online courses. The second idea is creating and selling online courses. Are you an expert in a specific field or skill? Why not share your knowledge and make money in the process? Online courses are a fantastic way to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and generate passive income. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Kajabi make it easy for you to create, host, and sell your courses. But keep in mind, the success of your course depends on the quality of your content and your ability to market it effectively. So take the time to research your target audience, create engaging and valuable content, and develop a solid marketing strategy to promote your course. Idea number 3, start a YouTube channel. The third idea is starting a YouTube channel. Now you might be thinking, but there are already so many YouTubers out there. True, but the beauty of YouTube is that there's always room for more creators, especially if you bring something unique and valuable to the table. To succeed on YouTube, you need to choose a niche you're passionate about, create engaging and high-quality content, and consistently upload videos. Monetize your channel with ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling your products or services. And remember, growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and persistence, so don't get discouraged if you don't see instant results. Idea number 4, dropshipping. The fourth idea is dropshipping. If you've always wanted to start an e-commerce business but don't have the capital or space to invest in inventory, dropshipping could be the perfect solution for you. With dropshipping, you create an online store, but instead of stocking the products yourself, you partner with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping for you. When a customer places an order, you simply forward the order to the supplier and they take care of the rest. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to find a profitable niche, choose reliable suppliers, and create an attractive online store. Focus on marketing your store through social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. And remember, providing excellent customer service is key to building a loyal customer base and getting repeat business. Idea number 5, affiliate marketing. The fifth idea is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can make money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, and choose products that align with your niche and audience. Create valuable content that showcases the benefits of the products you're promoting, and always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. And remember, successful affiliate marketers focus on providing value and building long-term relationships with their audience, not just pushing sales. As promised, here's a bonus idea for you. Write and self-publish an ebook. If you have a knack for storytelling or expertise in a particular subject, why not write an ebook and self-publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Apple Books, or Kobo Writing Life? This can be a great source of passive income, and with the growing popularity of ebooks, there's never been a better time to share your knowledge and creativity with the world. Here you got 5+1 ideas to help you break free from the daily grind and start making money online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. And it takes dedication, hard work, and persistence to turn these ideas into profitable income streams. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.